Hello, welcome back to a video where I unbox a pen that comes in this box. Oh, what is this? I am Aziza, Gourmet Pens, and I will be your host for the next 10 minutes or whatever. Okay, so this pen was sent to me on loan by Applebaum Pennon. This is not a paid video. I'm still gonna tell you what I don't like about it. There's actually a lot I don't like about it, so that's all. This pen will be sent back when I am done all of this and the review and all that stuff. Now, the pens, there's actually two of them, but I'm just gonna show you one box because it's the same box. The pens are the Montblanc Heritage Rouge et Noir Metamorphosis Spider fountain pens. Now I have both colors. I've got the, I don't want them to touch, so I'm just gonna, I mean they can touch, but I've got the black resin and the coral resin, special edition. Lots of detail to show you. So let's just take a look quickly at the packaging. Sorry, there's a hair somewhere. It's whatever, it's on the floor now. We'll vacuum it out later. Let's take a quick look at the packaging. I actually like this packaging. It is quite simple. Fairly little waste. Comes with a booklet. The booklet is the Montblanc Heritage Rouge et Noir collection. Oh, the collection! The Montblanc Heritage Collection captures the vision and pioneering spirit characteristic of Montblanc from its earliest history. The collection celebrates a rich inheritance in historic design, an ongoing spirit of invention, and a devotion to perfectly executed details, a philosophy that continues to shape Montblanc craftsmanship today. Okay, cool. The original Rouge et Noirs are super cool, and this one, okay, the Rouge et Noir collection celebrates the more than 110-year-old pioneering spirit of Montblanc. These were originally developed in 1906. So, yeah, there's like last year or a couple years ago, it was the one with the snake. And this time, the spider, symbol of mystery and creativity. The earliest, no wait, earliest? That, I can't speak. The early 20th century was a fascinating era for art and poetry. As a metaphor for the act of writing, a spider was often used in this period to symbolize the poet spinning a web of words. Ooh. Some of the earliest Montblanc fountain pens featured spiders in the design, which was fitting, since the pen is the tool of the web-spinning writer. The spider continued to be a popular design motif through the decades that followed, and now this power symbol of creativity is the central theme of the Montblanc Heritage Collection, Rouge et Noir Spider Metamorphosis Special Edition. That's a mouthful again. In keeping with the red and black theme, this special edition is offered either in black with a coral red cap top, that's this one, and vintage style fittings. You can see it's like an antique type coloration, or a full coral red with champagne tone gold coated fittings. So, yes, that is true. This is correct. That is what it comes with. The notebook and the box. The box is very simple. That's all there is to it. It's a piston filler, so it doesn't come with anything else. So, this is the coral. It has the like creamy colored snow cap. It's not a white one on coral resin. It has champagne gold spider design clip with tiny little gems for eyeballs. It has the vintage Montblanc engraving on the cap. I know this is probably not the most efficient way to do this, but that's just the way it is. It is a very slim pen. Section is matching, smooth. It's comfortable. Surprisingly, it's a very solid pen, so I actually find it pretty comfortable. If you don't like slender pens, you're not going to like it, though. Check out that adorable nib with the little spider on it. These nibs, with their triangular breathing hole, are not like Montblanc's Meisterstück nibs. They are a little softer. This is the black version, a little more subtle, a little more toned down. It has a brushed metal section. The nib is a single tone, and it has the spider again on it. 14 karat gold nibs. Both are a fine, and it is engraved as well, but you can't really see it. You can maybe see the reflection. It's not a filled engraving, so the black one is like more toned down. The coral is more out there a little, but I Personally, if I had to pick, I would go with the coral. So, if you hate spiders, this is not the pen for you. If you dig spiders, or you're a writer, or you're a poet, or you love Harry Potter, and you love like arachnophilia, maybe these are something that would interest you. Now, the black one, 570 euros, and the coral, 702 euros. So you're paying more, obviously, for the coral, which has champagne gold-plated fittings, and little eyeballs on your clip. So you're paying a bit more for that. That's basically all I wanted to say about the pens, but what I will also add in is one of these nibs performed relatively well, and the other one sucks. Because even though it's a fine, it is over-polished. That's pretty annoying. So let's take a look at a writing sample, and you will see what I'm talking about. They are both inked with the Montblanc Heritage Metamorphosis Spiderweb Gray ink. Another mouthful. I look really blue, probably because of all the color changing doings. Put that in there, maybe it'll warm it up a little. Okay, sorry. Make you nauseated. Okay, let's take a look at a writing sample, see how it works out. Thank you, Joost, for lending me these pens. Hopefully you'll find this useful. I'll see you in a second. Hello! Welcome to the down part of this video. These are the Montblanc Heritage Rouge et Noir collection. These are the Spider Metamorphosis pens. So as you can tell, black resin, coral resin. There's the finials. The clips are really nifty. Let me zoom in a bit here so you can take a look. Really interesting. I think they're neat. They're not inexpensive. The coral version is pretty pricey. The downside for me, the major downside, is that the nibs are dodgy. They are fine nibs. They should be flawless, especially considering the price, the standard that Montblanc has. They're quite skippy. So let's just do a quick writing sample of each. Just zoom in. Wait, let me just rearrange a bit here. Okay. So this is the Montblanc. This one is the better of the two. They are slightly springy, so they yield just a little bit. If you're looking for a slightly softer experience than what the Meisterstück offers, these might be good for you. Not super wet, so actually decent for daily use, because they'll dry fairly quickly. This is a fine. If you have a really light hand, these might be difficult to write with because they're slightly over polished. They need just a little bit of pressure to work properly. So anyway, this was the better of the two nibs. I've had a heck of a time with this one. So this is the coral version. So there was a skip there. This one's basically the same in terms of wetness. Spider, so okay. There you go. I mean, maybe I'm going too fast. I'll slow down a bit. But even slowing down, it's a mess. So I'm applying pressure now to get it to write. Because typically with the over-polished syndrome, if you apply a bit of pressure, you spread the tines a little, you get rid of that lack of contact, so your tines actually touch the page. Your tip touches the page, and you should get some ink flow, but you shouldn't have to apply pressure for the nib to write. So I'm just doing the free weight test where the pen writes with the weight of its own body. Takes way too long to get going. So yeah, that's a pretty unfortunate writing experience. I'm sorry, my handwriting is really messy. I have a really bad flare-up of my tennis elbow. I can barely hold the pen without pain. So yes, there you go. There is the honest to grapes performance of both of these pens. I think the black one is not terrible. Not too bad, but the coral is just, it's a mess. And it shouldn't be that way considering the price, but I mean, it shouldn't be that way anyway. I do know that if you purchase one of these from an authorized Montblanc retailer, send it back to them, they're going to get it fixed for you, but it's really unfortunate that this is the case. So, there you go. Let me know what your experiences are. I have found that the Meisterstück nibs perform better than these ones do, than the softer heritage nibs. I don't know, I guess it's because they're softer, like, I don't know if they have more trouble polishing them properly. I don't know what it is, but in my experience, these ones perform less reliably than the Meisterstücks that I have used. What do you think? Do you like these pens? Like, are they something that appeals to you? Is it too spidery? It's pretty cute, but like maybe they're just too spidery, too slender. I don't know. Chime in below in the comments. Let me know what you think. That's everything. So thank you to Applebaum for lending me these pens and for continuing to support me even when I really clearly am unhappy with the performance of a pen. But I think any company worth their salt would appreciate the honesty. Okay, I'm running out of time. Please like and subscribe, I'd be so grateful. You can find me on Facebook, Twitter, Patreon, and Instagram as Gourmet Pens. Thank you so much. We will see you next time. Bye-bye!